guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like credits ending scene on CapCut PC. It's pretty simple. Just go to text and add in your default text, add in some names. I'm just going to be selecting these like text and copying and paste them because it will take ages if I try to even come up with like names, I guess. Like cast or something. And then like crew. There's like not a lot of space, so you have to like add a lot, but I'm just going to like leave it with that. What just happened? Oh, okay. Anyways, I don't know why I can't add like one more without it getting weird, but I'm just going to adjust the font size to make it a little bit smaller than I want it to be. Then I will just simply, it's super simple. You're just going to go to media, you're going to go to library, and you're going to add in a black stock video. If it's not long enough, just select freeze frame and adjust the duration like so. Select this, go to mask, and select mirror, and select reverse, and you're just going to adjust it like so. Go to basic, and you're just going to go to position here, add in a keyframe, and you're going to place it down here, and then at the end you're going to find that and you're going to drag it up until the rest of it is gone. And that is pretty much it. If it's too fast, just make this longer and move the keyframes further from each other. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.